Right, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to a Bitcoin update today. And Bitcoin, the ultimate troublemaker all the time. So once again, I'm really disappointed for Bitcoin. You know, you did have a cross all over the EMAs right there, and you did do something on the 4-hour time frame, which is really bad for me personally. I think so, because what you're doing for Bitcoin is that you had one resistance, fake out, a break and a retest as well, which was successful, and then all of a sudden you went inside back into the triangle. So the next few scenarios are the following, which I personally think is going to happen down the road. And it's the following: that if you're making a fake out now, what is going to happen next? I still don't have any negative comments about Bitcoin, even though you're inside the triangle. Not just yet. And I'm going to tell you when I'm going to have the negative comments as well. So basically, at this point of time, the altcoins were looking good again. And you have Bitcoin that is inside the triangle, which was supposed to hold above the triangle and then push back up. But you're actually making the fake out. What you have left is the following. You do have almost a double bottom right there. When you have this double bottom, it actually means a reversal to the upside, and you've actually even failed to hold the neckline of the double bottom. You see that when you did come for the retest, you're still under the neckline. So basically, this is not a good sign anymore. And just like that, everything again is back into the trash. Okay, you removed it out of the trash and then you put it back into the trash. It is what it is. And what I do expect now is that if you potentially have this very big falling wedge, which is not invalidated, then Bitcoin might end up coming down to take these two stop losses, right? You might end up coming down, take the stop loss, make a very big wick down here, and take that stop, take the stop, make a wick, close above the falling wedge, and then finally break out and then go to the upside, right? That will still be perfectly okay to me personally. And the reason why I'm saying that you make a wick down and touch this line is because you complete the first touch, the second one, and you got the third touch, and then you finally try to move to the upside right there. Now, if I can say, the time that you have to be very careful is that if this one ends up coming down here and you touch it and you break it below and you go back for the retest and get rejected right there, that will be a very big preparation for you to keep in mind that Bitcoin will be interested to fall down all the way to $18,000. That's where Bitcoin is going to have the next level of massive support right there, because you have one touch, second touch, third touch, a move to the downside here, and then you've got the fourth touch, to be honest with you. And that's what I do see. Actually, there are two places, which is going to be, this first touch right there, second one right here, and this one right here. So it would make sense to come all the way down to touch this one. And the second one is going to be nearly $14,500 if you lose 18,000 level, because that means that you have this one, and then this one right over there. So the first one is going to be this, lose this, that one. But all of this is going to happen if you lose this and this, and you fail to hold that. Boom, back test, fail all the way to the downside, fail this one all the way to the downside. It's all about going step by step. So let's see. I do have an open mind for a downside as well. I cannot say that Bitcoin is not looking for a downtrend. You still have a 20,000 CME gap, but rest assured that on a higher time frame, we're pretty much okay. Doesn't really matter if you do go down to $18,000. Totally okay to me. And that's it for this update. Make sure you're following the channel if you're new, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.